Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cook broad beans. Broad beans are also called fava beans. They were introduced in China during the Han dynasty. In Sichuan, we call them hu dou, which means barbarian beans, indicating its foreign origin. It is a very popular vegetable on our local menu, and the famous doubanjiang is made from dried broad beans. If you're new here, my name is Yi, and I share easy-to-follow Asian recipes that you can cook at home. Today we're going to use fresh fava beans, and you can buy them from frozen, like this one. Whichever works for you, and now let's get started. We will start by extracting the fava beans. Split the bean pod and you'll find fava beans laying inside. It is super cute. We'll simply take out the beans and toss the pods. Fresh fava beans are green in color and they come in different sizes. Repeat the process until all the beans are taken out. Here are the pods. It's a lot, and I'm going to use them as fertilizers in my garden. In a pot, add water, bring to boil. Then drop in the fava beans. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Take out with a skimmer. Next, we're going to prepare some aromatics. We have 3 hot green chilies, 5 Thai chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, and some cilantro. Split the green chili and take out the seeds. Finely chop the green chilies. Transfer to a container. Finely chop Thai chilies and transfer to a container. Smack garlic cloves, then chop into fine pieces. Finely chop cilantro and save for later use. Next, we will use some fermented black beans. Take out about 1 tablespoon and coarsely chop them. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, drop in half of the green chilies, half of the Thai chilies, and half of the minced garlic. Stir until fragrant. Add in fermented black beans, then add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Stir on medium-low heat until red oil comes out. Turn off the heat and transfer the sauce into a bowl. Now add the rest of the garlic, Thai chili, and green chilies. Season with salt, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, Sichuan peppercorn powder, and sesame seeds. Mix well. Next, we're going to pour the seasoning sauce into the broad bean container. Mix the sauce well with the broad beans. Drop in cilantro. Mix and let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. You can also refrigerate it before eating. The Sichuan style broad bean salad is spicy and sour, perfect for an appetizer or a vegan dish. Alright guys, now our favorite part, the taste test. Isn't this the most fresh looking vegetable dish? Cannot wait to try it. It smells so good. It's so good. The fava beans, they're a little tougher on the outside, but the inside is super smooth and soft. And it all has a beautiful aroma to it, and it's really fresh tasting. So if you have not tried fava beans or broad beans, go give it a try. It is so good, I guarantee that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If it was helpful for you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. Yes, do it. If you want a printable recipe, it's linked down below in the description box. Thanks so much for hanging. I'll see you next time.